How to log into your Citizens Bank of Edmond account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To log into your Citizens Bank of Edmond online banking account, you'll need to go to the Citizens Bank of Edmond website first from any of your favorite browser. So once inside here, just locate the first option or first link which appears over here, and you can basically tap on this hamburger icon over here to simply click on login button. So if you haven't already enrolled or haven't registered a new account previously, then you can simply tap on this enroll now to actually enroll for new account, that is new online or mobile banking account for Citizens Bank of Edmond. But if you already have an account, you can just go over to the option that is login directly and simply enter your login credentials such as your registered login ID as well as your password. So make sure you enter those all of those details correctly and simply click on login. And if you ever forget your password, you can always click on this forget your password button over here or link over here to successfully reset your Citizens Bank of Edmond online banking password. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.